Alrighty, so today we are playing Isolation Chimps. Yeah, I just installed this, I just got on. And this is the tutorial. Click this to finish the horror already. Is anybody in PvP? Wow, there's quite a bit of
Have you seen a guy with a
I'm
terrible
16.
sniper rifle? He's level 150, he has a really colorful sniper rifle.
I'm 13.
Can you not? I'm trying.
Ooh, man.
I want to ask him to join my clan.
My nose.
Oh.
Thank you.
Hit him, 13. He's in there,
You'll never
12?
see you come back. That's what you get.
What's that mean? Would you shoot me?
You'll never see you come back.
Ah. Oh.
What are you doing?
Hit me, huh?
Alright, trains. Yep.
Oh,
You never see me.
17.
Excuse me,
Now I go back and shoot.
Hey, I have a question.
Now
I
I
have a
go back
question.
and
Yeah,
I have a question.
Here, let's try shotgun. Wow, this game's PvP is actually really good.
Did anybody answer my question?
Wow, people.
Jeez Louise.
Dad.
Hey, wait.
Oh, no.
Damn it, y'all.
Yeah, people are.
That was actually a clip right there.
Oh, got him. Hit him. Hit, dead. Oh, not dead.
No,
Oh, I didn't hit it.
Got him.
Ooh, he has him. Ooh,
this game.
jump in the air.
Cole!
Get him with
We've been fighting for shoot at me, hey!
Oh, I set on my boundaries.
Well, actually, he's not gay. You're just saying that because you're mad at him. Shut up.
Hey, you! Somebody!
You shut up. You need.
Come on, shoot at me, somebody!
You up. I'm gonna let you down. Well, get out of my sandwich. You're not a part of it. Stop.
Oh, he's in the
No.
Wait,
I hit these green. Thank you for that.
Gingerbread.
I'm coming to you now.
Man, I wish there's a way to like see our HP, honestly.
So he dies. If I can aim it, and if gingerbread stay on my flip.
hey, banana! Don't get me! Shoot me! I dare ya!
There it is.
Shoot me again! Come on! Come on, boy! Shoot me! Shoot me!
I got you.
Bye! Go
Bro.
on! Oh, damn it! Why didn't my invisible board I walk? There's supposed to be an invisible board out there. Die! No, damn it! I want to get him!
Alright, let's try.
Really, is a British person?
Oh, katana. Sniper.
Folks. They disconnected.
That's the wrap! Don't shoot me!
Johnny.
Can I get a side of walk with that car?
Shit. God. I love trains.
Oh, shoot the shit out of you!
What's the shot?
Man, you're not good at sniping.
I'll shoot you if you have to take a sit! Oh, yeah!
I'm 16. I'm 16.
I'm just taking my anger! Die, die, fuck! Die, you son of a bitch!
These kids are you son of a beast.
Die! 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 All of you!
Just like that, now we're in.
No.
Die!
No.
Oh, you fuck! Die! Die! Oh my god, die!
Alrighty, this game's actually like really good.
Brother, split. Bye, brother. Just stop
Come on, you
lagging.
motherfucker!
Wait, no, watch this video. I'm gonna do something.
Filthy!
Alrighty. This combo will make everybody in the lobby hate me.
Filthy motherfucker!
Whoa!
Oh, what did we do? Full of water.
Down!
Did I hit you?
Motherfucker!
You good? Hey, fish.
You know me? Oh, you know me?
You never see.
Who knows me? Someone said they know me. Green. Oh, green's banana?
Oh my god.
Oh, no, it's green. Who are you?
Man,
I know.
guess that's a
Wait,
no.
Bruce. Come over here. Wait, come over here.
Yeah. In English or Spanish? Blue.
Seriously. Wanna come over here? Green.
Alright, I gotta focus on one person.
I'm tracing. Not this guy.
You're my G.
Come over here.
Blue, you're my G. I'm tracing. Bro, I'm tracing. I'm my G now.
So how do you know me? I'm the boys.
Okay.
Bro, you suck. That's why you're spamming.
Oh, real. Come on. Look at this scammer.
Wow,
that's good job. Okay.
Oh, it's really cool.
You'll never see.
Wow, I can't believe I see everything coming.
Bro, stop sneaking up behind me, bro. You suck. Okay, then I'll attack you from the side.
Straight out of the ball.
Oh my god.
Spammer, I'll attack you from the side. Then you don't wanna let me sneak up on you. Stick upon.
Stick a bang to the bang. Bang, stick a bang on my dang toodaloo.
Bang, choing.
Stop with the bang on my spooky.
Go to the top. No way.
I know up there, you son of oh shit, you're
I just ran into
I
something.
like my
You'll never see me again. How? I know you're up there, come out! I told you, come out, bitch! I take back my former statement. Next time I take step that please.
Oh, there we go.
stick upon her. Stick upon her.
Stick a phone hub. It's better for
Oh
you
my god,
now.
stop spraying me.
Who the?
Damn!
There's nothing
Who
else.
are you? Why does this pop in?
Alrighty, I like this game. I like this game.
Oh, damn.
You dare to the great fighting me.
Yes. Yeah, my arms are about to be. Dude,
Attack from the sky.
Die! Die, you tiny most bastard!
I know ZZZ Rocket.
Dude, I know Rocket. ZZZ Rocket, I know him too. Baby, go down. What level are you? What level are you? Where are you?
Stop spamming.
I'm
level 40 right now. Stop that. Stop cursing me out.
Oh, you're
real
really
big.
One starty to join.
Oh! 130. Oh, but I was cooking.
Alright, let's try another gun.
I don't think you
RPG, let's go.
I think you just say that because you ain't secure enough. Your skill level.
Oh, that's just the rule. That's the rule I know of.
ZZZ bitch.
I'm ZZZ.
Why is your name ZZZ?
Oh, because I'm pulling the ZZZ back.
Wait, my god, it's not that bad.
Yo, ZZZ Rocket, can you do something out?
Alright, I really like this game.
Oh, yeah, don't let him.
Yo, I wanna try out.
Hey, what level are you? What level are you? You have to have damage. You have to have fucking level.
Oh, that's a spammer.
What level do I have to
Why did all the certain
Go,
level?
your
You
ball.
have to be level 130. You have to be level 130 to join.
But I'm still better.
Spam.
I'm
It doesn't matter. You have to be level I'm sorry.
130.
130, yeah. That's maybe, I think it was 130. It was one.
You wanna suck my dick until it's dry again?
No, what the fuck, you weirdo? I don't like you. He's a pedo.
So
He's a
weird.
pedo.
What the
Oh,
heck?
wait, he's a child.
Oh,
I don't like that guy.
lordy.
Hello. I'm gonna
These
come
are
in here again.
Firing the hole.
I'm gonna make him my personal toy.
Dog,
Yo, my
what the hell?
bad with the grenade. What the heck?
Okay, where think she could damage us?
Alrighty.
Yo, my
I just gotta turn my thing down.
I'm Abracadabra!
What the heck? What's this? Abracadabra.
I've already got it. That kid.
Abracadabra.
Buddy, I'm not there anymore.
Shut up, you baby girl. I'm clicking puss.
Buddy, I'm not a girl.
Clicking puss.
Wow, that's not very nice.
When did I say it was nice?
What's your language?
I have a bat. Guys, do you see my bat? Do you see my bat?
How did I miss?
Oh,
No, if
do you see my
I
bat?
don't know
Your
how.
sleeping
I.
bag. I'm gonna touch you.
What's up, man? I'm not trying to kill, just want to say what's up.
What's up, brother?
What's up,
It was a misclick
here, buddy.
Misclick!
Buddy, yeah, sure. Bro,
Alright, RPG has failed
Okay,
me.
fine.
Bro, do you see the bat?
I
I
thought you
honestly
were
was a
in
misclick.
here.
I didn't know why
Why
you
do you
hit
hit me?
He's invisible.
because you tried to kill
I didn't know
me.
why. Look, you hurt me
Did you see
first.
my bat?
You touched me first.
What's up, man?
Stop.
I have proven a point that Uzi is not
Hope your
that
friend
bad.
backstabs you and shoots you in the head. Down.
Don't kill me.
Magnum.
How do you get them back?
Okay, Razor, you're letting. You made me mad.
Oh,
Razor!
I'm sorry.
Where you at, Razor? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. I'm gonna raise your ass.
I love watching the fun.
Razor! He's there. Come here, Razor!
I'm sorry.
Oh, call me daddy and I'll you got
Don't take it personally.
one more head.
Guys, stop being
Ooh. Call me daddy and I'll let you live.
No.
Oh,
What the
you're
heck
gonna
is
die
that?
then. Come on, did it. You did. And you get out the map. No. Come on, do it again.
Turn around!
I can't get out
Oh,
the
Razor,
map.
you actually
Razor, I'm gonna make you my personal.
Oh no, 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 no. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. No, no.
Sugar apple is in stock.
I know! It was
Actually,
stuck a few seconds ago.
No, burning butter is in stock.
Hi,
bro. What are you doing, man?
Wait, what?
I'm touching kids. What are you doing? Hi.
said that
Hi.
burning
Oh, you
butter?
missed. He's there. And now I can see the mic katana finally. Woo! Damage.
Dang it! Bro,
Dog, how am I missing this?
I'm gonna kill you.
Guys, that's so close to level 88 or 87.
I'm tricky.
Turkey! Woo!
Man, I kind of feel bad killing the same guy over and over again. But nobody else is around. What am I supposed to
died,
do?
Bro, are you serious?
Oh, is that the same kid? Fine,
Hi.
kill me.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I killed someone.
No!
Oh, that's you. Okay.
What? How am I die?
Easy.
Miss.
Oh, why are you trying to kill me?
Hey, he's there, bro. It's him.
Oh, headshot!
Bro, it's him. I see him. Headshot.
Spamming
No way, I just did that.
He's there, bro.
Honestly, yeah. Probably deserve that.
Where's it?
That was so stupid.
What is that? I see my gun.
Bro, why'd you do that?
It's a shooting game. You're supposed to shoot. Chimp 60.
You're gonna have to hunt me down to kill me.
Oh, there's a like World War III going on.
What?
Now bye bye. I'm just better. 200. Hey, stay clear of the body. I used to get banned for that.
It's bugged.
They called me an easy kid. Bro,
I'm sorry.
what the fuck you put in the? Bro, you don't even have me added. What do you mean messages?
Alright, last one.
Dude, how that hitbox?
Can't end on a loss. Can't end on a loss. My final kill. I'm sorry. That's it for today. This game is called Isolation Chimps. The PvP is really fun. The horror is a little fun. I played a little bit of it. And the community is nice. Aside from that one person, that one toxic person that I had to keep on censoring out. But it's a multiplayer game. There's going to be toxic people. What are you going to do about it? But yeah, this game is just called Isolation Chimps. You should 100% give it a go. And that's it for today's video. So have a good day and peace.